2020 Cadillac CT5 release date, 2020 Cadillac CT5 sedan, 2020 Cadillac CT5 interior, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Cadillac brand. The title of the article we take is 2020 Cadillac CT5 release date, 2020 Cadillac CT5 sedan, 2020 Cadillac CT5 interior, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2020 Cadillac CT5 release date, 2020 Cadillac CT5 sedan, 2020 Cadillac CT5 interior, new cars by. The 2020 Cadillac CT5 midsize luxury sedan offers a new look but not a new idea for the automaker in a competitive class. Cadillac has a long history with sedans, although sometimes it helps to have a short memory. The 2020 Cadillac CT5 is a midsize sedan that's smaller than its predecessor, but right-sized for car buyers around the globe, not just folks in the US. Dimensionally, the 2020 CT5 fits between the outgoing compact ATS and midsize CTS. A smaller CT4 sedan is due later to complement the CT5. With the CT5, Cadillac has a competitor for a bevy of luxury competitors from Audi, Mercedes-Benz, and BMW. Ultimately, a performance version of the CT5 may arrive later to take on high-powered versions of those cars, something Cadillac has done very well in the past. Style and performance. The CT5 bears some resemblance to the company's outgoing full-size sedan, the CT6, and borrows inspiration from the 2016 Escala concept. The new sedan sports a more upright nose, wider grille, vertical headlights, and chiseled looks. The hood and body sides are deeply creased and skip the art and science jaggedness for a blockier, but ultimately more contemporary look. The CT5's rear roof pillar may be the most recognizable shape compared to the outgoing sedans. It kicks up quickly toward a high tail and black plastic mimics the look of a rear quarter window and meets a plunging roof at the rear end. Under the metal, the CT5 is distantly related to the Chevrolet Camaro, a relationship that has served other Cadillac sedans well in the past. The 2020 Cadillac CT5 initially will be available with a choice between two turbocharged engines, a 2.0-liter inline-4 or a 3.0-liter V6. Cadillac didn't say how powerful either engine would be, although it's likely that both engines are related to similar units found in the CT6 that make 265 and 404 horsepower, respectively. The engines will pair exclusively with a 10-speed automatic transmission and drive the rear or all four wheels. All-wheel drive will be available with either engine. Initial performance figures weren't immediately available, although V6 versions should sprint to 60 miles per hour in around 5 seconds, and Cadillac says that the CT5 would use unique sound calibrations for both models. Safety and features. The 2020 Cadillac CT5 will be available in sport and luxury trim levels when it goes on sale later this year. Like other Cadillacs, the two trim levels are separated by small styling differences outside, and equipment differences inside and under the hood. Cadillac hasn't yet said how much the sedan will cost. The CT5 will come equipped with Cadillac's latest and greatest for infotainment and convenience, including available Super Cruise driver assistance tech that can reduce fatigue on long trips. The CT5 will use Cadillac's latest infotainment system that offers a touchscreen and click-wheel controller, likely with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility. Cadillac also has promised premium sound from Bose in the CT5. Thanks.